Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to record your screen with OBS, so let's get started. First, open the OBS application. Make sure it's already installed. Start with a new blank scene, then go to the bottom right and click on Settings. Under General, no changes are needed. Go to Output. Set the output mode to Simple, and under Recording, choose a path to save your video. Next, pick a recording quality. High quality, medium file size is a good balance. Choose MP4 as the recording format for compatibility. In video, match the base canvas and output resolution. For example, use 1080p. Set FPS to 60 for smoother recordings or 30 if your computer has lower specs. Under Hotkeys, set your start and stop recording key. F12 works well. In Advanced, no changes are needed. Apply all settings. To begin recording, press the hotkey you set as in the settings and the recording will start. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.